Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Garmin Forerunner 265. To begin, simply select an outdoor activity like run or bike from the activity menu. Make sure you are outdoors with an unobstructed view of the sky. Your watch will then automatically start searching for a GPS signal, usually connecting within 30 to 60 seconds, indicated by a solid green GPS icon. Once you've selected your activity, the watch will display a GPS-ready message or a solid green GPS icon. This means your device has successfully connected to satellites and is ready to track your route. Before you start, ensure this indicator is solid green for accurate data. Press the top right button again to begin recording your activity, and your GPS tracking will commence immediately. During your activity, your Forerunner 265 will display various GPS-derived data points. You'll see your current distance, pace, and speed, among other metrics. You can swipe through different data screens to view this information in real time. The GPS system provides highly accurate data, typically within 3 to 5 meters, ensuring a precise record of your workout route and performance. To ensure the best GPS performance, regularly sync your watch with Garmin Connect. This updates the satellite ephemeris data, speeding up signal acquisition. Always try to start your activities in open areas, away from tall structures or heavy foliage, which can interfere with the signal. Remember that continuous GPS tracking uses more battery, so for extended adventures, consider your watch's battery life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.